Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to post on Facebook Marketplace without friends seeing. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on Menu. Now tap on Marketplace. Once you're in, tap on the three dots right next to your listing. Select the option to view listing. Here you can see its complete details along with the seller name. Now go back to your listing and select the option to edit listing. On scrolling down, you'll find the option to hide from friends and choose privacy settings. Turn this toggle on. Now hit the save button to save these settings. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.